Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we're giving you an update on the construction of the St. Catherine North Police Divisional Headquarters. Now, as you know, crime is down big time in Jamaica. And one of the reasons why it's so low or why it's going down is because the government is investing in infrastructure and technology for the police force. Now, this is just one example. They're spending $2.4 billion to build this headquarters for the police. And they have invested billions on technology and state-of-the-art equipment for the police. So we are going to give you an update as to what's happening out here. The construction of the St. Catherine North Police Divisional Headquarters in Spanish Town, Jamaica, represents a major investment by the Government of Jamaica in modern law enforcement infrastructure and public safety. The project is part of a wider national strategy to strengthen policing capabilities, improve working conditions for the police personnel, and restore confidence in communities that have long been affected by crime. The new headquarters is being built at Darling Pen in Spanish Town, a strategic location with direct access to major road networks, allowing for faster deployment of police resources across the division. Once completed, the facility will replace outdated police buildings and serve as the main command and operational center for the St. Catherine North Police Division, which covers some of the most densely populated communities in the parish. The project is being implemented under the Ministry of National Security Project (ROC) Rebuild, Overhaul and Construct program, which focuses on upgrading police stations and divisional headquarters across the island. Construction is being carried out by West Indies Home Contractors Limited, one of Jamaica's leading construction firms, at an estimated cost of over $2 billion. The scale of the investment reflects the importance of St. Catherine North in Jamaica's national security framework. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.